lovely house, isn't it? I'm glad you like it.
The strength of this house is its pillars. No, not these pillars, those ones.
Oh, hi. I'm Kritika. I'm working with an MNC and life keeps me busy 24/7. I need to be healthy and look my best all the time. It's not easy to stay beautiful and healthy in today's busy world, especially to maintain beautiful skin, beautiful hair, beautiful nails. Everything from pollution to stress to UV rays add to the challenge. What's to be done?
Hi, I'm Rupa. I have my own flower business and a home to run. In fact, I'm always on the move. So there's hardly a single moment when I can relax. I need to stay energized and strong from the inside out so that I can always be on the go.
I'm Ujjwala. I may have retired from work, but I haven't retired from life. I'm looking to be active. These are the days where I want to chase my own dreams, but it's not easy now.
You see, my husband calls us the true pillars of our house.
Like so many other men, I didn't think their small complaints could be a potential problem. Till one day.
Ajay, my friend Reema fell down while she was doing her housework. She broke her leg. And the doctor says she has weak bones because of low calcium stores. She found out that she's also deficient in iron, because of which she feels lethargic all the time. Poor thing. Her daughter's getting married soon.
Reema? But she's always looked healthy. How can it be?
We realized what happened with Reema could have easily happened with his mother or to me.
It could also happen to our daughter in the future.
Had we compromised our health with the lifestyle choices that we were making? Had the fast pace of our lives made an irreversible impact on our health?
We began to look for answers.
We knew that women have different and specific needs, but we were shocked to discover these facts related to women's health. Nearly 3/4 of women in India are anemic. 60% of working Indian women between the age of 30 and 40 have symptoms of exhaustion, irritability, and insomnia. Circumstances leading to heart conditions of working women are way different from homemakers. One-third of women in India suffer from osteoporosis. 30% women worry about thinning of hair. 33% of women worry about going grey. Today, a woman has so many new responsibilities. She's more than a homemaker. She's a career woman too. And for that perfect balance, her health and well-being is of vital importance. Also, women pass through various life stages like adolescence, pregnancy, lactation, and menopause, which present unique nutritional challenges and requirements. Then we heard of the 4 pillars of optimal health: regular exercise, adequate rest, a positive attitude, and well-balanced nutrition.
We could add the first 3 to our lifestyle. But what about the 4th pillar? Balanced nutrition.
Eating right wouldn't be enough in today's scenario where chemicals and pesticides are polluting the food we eat. As women, we have specific nutritional needs based on the life stage we are at. It is important to eat smartly to acquire a balanced nutritional intake, especially in the face of changing lifestyles. Thank goodness, we discovered Nutrilite. Nutrilite is the world's #1 selling vitamins and dietary supplements brand. Nutrilite is the only brand to grow, harvest, and process plants on its own certified organic farms.
Now Nutrilite is bringing a new range of nutritional supplements, especially for women's health,
to help address their specific needs.
Products for women of all ages so they can live healthy, happy lives.
Nutrilite presents Women's Health, a range of products that take care of their unique nutritional needs and helps celebrate womanhood.
True beauty starts from the inside out. Beauty reflects in healthy hair, skin and nails. That's why you need Neutralite hair, skin and nails, which helps you look your best from the inside out. Neutralite hair, skin and nails contains biotin, which may help support strong and healthy hair and alleviate nail brittleness. Collagen, which is necessary for structure, health and growth of hair, skin and nails. Grapeseed extract, a powerful antioxidant which may help protect hair, skin and nails. Glycine, which works in conjunction with collagen to help promote skin moisturization. L-cysteine, which helps in the formation of keratin, a major protein in hair, skin and nails. It also contains vitamin C, an important antioxidant.
Iron is an important nutrient which keeps your body oxygenated. When the iron levels in your body are low, you can face a variety of health challenges. For this, you need Neutralite Tri-Iron Folic. Neutralite Tri-Iron Folic has a unique blend of iron derived from 3 sources: iron biglycinate, iron fumarate, and mustard greens. Iron sources that are more readily used and tolerated by the body. Neutralite Tri-Iron Folic provides vitamin C, which helps increase your body's ability to absorb iron. It contains folic acid. Many studies show that women who supplement their diet with iron and folic acid before and during pregnancy have a greater chance of having babies with better immunity. Neutralite Tri-Iron Folic also gives you the benefits of exclusive Neutralite Acerola Cherry Concentrate for additional phytonutrient benefits. Unlike other iron supplements, Neutralite Tri-Iron Folic is naturally sourced, which provides easily absorbable forms of iron for good health.
Neutralite Black Cohosh and Soy is an exclusive Neutralite formula designed for mature women who are experiencing menopause and the challenges it brings. Black Cohosh, which is believed to have an estrogen-like effect and helps in the improvement of both physiological and psychological symptoms of menopause. It contains isoflavones which provide overall well-being during menopause. In addition, it provides acerola cherry and citrus bioflavonoid concentrate for additional phytonutrient benefits. Neutralite Black Cohosh and Soy may help reduce various menopause-related physical and psychological effects, helping you to age gracefully and live a happy, healthy life.
For strong bones, we need healthy calcium deposits. For this, we have Neutralite Cal-Mag-D, which is the perfect combination of calcium, magnesium, and vitamin D that you need for strong bones. Neutralite Cal-Mag-D provides the essential mineral calcium, which helps build and maintain healthy bones and teeth. It also contains magnesium, which plays a vital role in regulating bone calcium levels. You also receive the benefit of vitamin D, which is essential for absorption and retention of calcium in bones. In addition, you also get the benefits of phytonutrients from exclusive Nutrilite alfalfa concentrate.
I also need Nutrilite Bone Health with Epriflavon, the bone builder.
We both need Nutrilite Bone Health with Epriflavon because as we age, the calcium reserves in the bones start depleting.
It contains Epriflavon, which is required for greater bone mineral density, and vitamin D, which is vital for calcium processing and absorption of dietary calcium from the bloodstream. It also contains chicory root extract for added nutritional benefits.
Nutrilite Women's Health range helps you put your best foot forward.
I want to be beautiful from the inside out. I deserve Nutrilite hair, skin and nails.
I deserve an energetic and active life. I deserve Cal-Mag-D and Tri-Iron Folic.
I want to be healthy and age gracefully. I deserve Nutrilite Black Cohosh and Soy.
Our homes are built on the hard work and love of women. They are the pillars, the strength of our house.
A house needs 4 pillars to stand on. It's time we begin to take a greater interest in our health. Let's help the women in our families to be healthy and beautiful with the Nutrilite Women's Health range.